In this video, we learn how to store user data in shared preferences. Create a new project and name it shared preferences. Go to our layout file. Set container to be a linear layout and set its orientation to be vertical. Now we add two edit text, one for user to enter his email and one for him to put his phone number. We want to store uh, a string in our shared preferences and an int to our shared preferences. Now we go to our main activity, create two edit texts. And get a reference of our edit text email and edit text phone number. First, that when user opens the app, we want to set this edit text to what is in our shared preferences. First, we have to create an instance of shared preferences class and name it shared preferences, and set it to preference manager dot get default shared preferences and pass a context to it, and set edit text email text to shared preferences dot get string and pass a key, for example email, and a default value if this shared preferences is empty or still doesn't exist. And do the same for our phone number. We use get int instead of get string and pass a key, and the default we want to be 0, and we have to cast it to a string. Now we want when user close the app, save this data to shared preferences, so we have to override the onStop method. We create another instance of shared preferences class and name it shared preferences, and pass a context to it. Because we want to edit something in shared preferences, we have to create an editor. So we use shared preferences.editor and name it editor equals to or shared preferences object.edit. Now we use editor.put a string and add our key, which is email, and a value which is text of or edit text email. And we use editor.putInt and pass a key which is a phone number and a value which is edit text phone number dot get text dot to a string, and we have to cast it to integer. At last, we have to use editor.commit or editor.apply to apply or changes to shared preferences. Now run the app. Here is our edit text email, and we pass an email to it, and this is phone number. And when close the app and come back again, the data is stored properly. Thank you for watching.